Hey guys, Roger from the Townsend team here. I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of one of our newest listings. If you follow us on the social media, you'll probably have seen this before. This is the Niagara right here. We're out here in Niagara Falls, and I wanted to give you a view of the finished unit now after it has been complete. This is over in Block C. We have this unit available for lease. If you are looking for a new place to call home, it's beautiful, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Could be perfect for you. Give me a call, 647-360-5900. Or if you are a landlord or an investor and you need help to get your rental property lease, give us a call, 647-360-5900, and we can help you out. So this one here is about 800 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. As you can see, outdoor space as well, which is great in the summers. Gonna give you a peek. This one is brand spanking new, never been lived in, and you are gonna be one of the first to see it. So as you can see, everything is completely pimped out. You got stainless steel appliances, you got the kitchen island, undermount sink. These are all upgrades. Also a dishwasher, which is obviously nice in these days. I don't know if anybody still cooks these days, but if you do cook, you can throw your plates in there and get it clean. You have here your living space. As you can see, it's quite spacious, and of course, your double door to lead out to the outdoor space. So as you can see, guys, this is actually a really beautiful unit, beautiful premium laminate flooring. The colors are very trendy right now. Ceiling heights are phenomenal at 9 feet. Give you a quick glimpse of the inside. This one here, as I mentioned, is about 800 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Here is one washroom. These ones have what we call the floating sinks as well. And it was left in white, which is a very neutral color. That way you can't get upset when you have white, as it is very clean and stands out. Here is one of the bedrooms. So you can see a very large window, which is great to get you some natural light. And the room is actually very good, very spacious size. And then of course you have the master bedroom over here that has its own, actually, sorry, my apologies, they call it primary now, primary bedroom. So the primary bedroom has also a large window and also has an ensuite bath. So you don't have to worry about sharing your bathroom. 2 full bathrooms, as you can see, both with stand-up shower. Floating pedestal sinks, or floating vanity, I should say. And there you have it. The unit is available. If you are interested in getting in here before anybody else, give me a call. Like I said, the number I can reach that is 647-360-5900, and we'll get you in here before anybody else. Until next time, guys, we'll talk soon.